Hey guys, welcome back to another helpful video of how to guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix when your WhatsApp DP is not showing into your WhatsApp. So in this case, you can do some couple of things. The first one is to check your internet connection. And now after checking your internet connection, if your connection is alright, then you should go to app setting of your device. And into the app setting, just simply find the settings for WhatsApp. Now after coming into the WhatsApp app settings, click to this storage setting and from here clear the app cache for WhatsApp. And after clearing the cache, your WhatsApp DP will start to show again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.